Hi guys, let's do this problem before us. I read the question. Given the equation log 2 to base x plus log 1 over 12 to base x squared is equals to log square root of b to base 1 over x, find the value of b. And so guys, we now do this problem. I've already written the question right here, and now guys, we just have to look at it. Guys, indeed, I have already done it, and just here is to explain how I have done it. Guys, I have changed everything to base x, that is log to base x. So the first one will not change. And so when we come now to the first step, as I have said, we have this. We have log 2 to base x. As I have said, the first one will not change, but the rest will change. So we write this one in form of to base x, log to base x. So it will be log 1 all over 12 to base x. That is log 1 over 12 to base x all over 2. Guys, as you can see this one, formerly it was log to base x of x squared. So guys, we had a squared here, but now guys, we had to transfer this to the 2 that is supposed to be here, guys. According to the laws of logarithm, we now transfer it this side. And so therefore, guys, now it becomes 2 log x to base x. Now, guys, this is now going to be equal to log square root of b to base 1 all over x. Guys, we continue. Indeed, we are also going to do this one to base x. But let's see, guys, what next. Guys, the next thing we are doing now is to come here and say this remains the same, log 2 to base x plus. Guys, when we find something like this means that, guys, this is the same as we can say log a all over b can be written as log a minus log b. And so therefore, guys, this is what I have done to that. So we have log 1 to base x minus log 12 to base x. Since it is in this form, a over b, that is 1 over 12. And then, guys, I come here below, just as we have done. It comes to now 2 log x to base x. This is now equals to log square root of b to base 1 over x. Guys, as you can see, this one, that is log of 1 to any base. Guys, this one becomes 0. And log of a number to its own base. Guys, this one becomes 1. And so therefore, guys, we have cancelled that. And so when we come now to the next step, guys, you will find it cancelled. And here is the next step. We have log 2 to base x minus log 12 to base x. Guys, as you can see, we have a negative right here. And then this is all over. Guys, as we had cancelled that, we are left with only 2. This is now equals to log square root b to base 1 all over x. Guys, we continue on. Guys, now we come and write this equation to base x. This equation right here. So this equation, guys, this remains the same. So here we say log of square root of b to base x all over log 1 over x to base x. And now, guys, when we come to that, we are going to do the same way we have done here, where we have ratios here. So this is going now to be log 1 to base x minus log x to base x. And this is what I have written already here, guys. So guys, we are now going to cancel this. This is now going to be 0. And then we are left with the negative log x to base x. And this, guys, is going to give us now 1. And so therefore we have 1 at that point. And therefore, guys, we are now left with this. We are left with log 2 to base x minus log 12 raised to a half. Guys, this 2 is like now writing, it's like now, guys, we have written like a half right here. So this half, well, that is 1 over 2, can go up there to become power of 12. Guys, on this other side, we have log square root b of base x all over negative 1, even as we had found right here. And then, guys, we continue. And now, guys, we can also bring this negative 1, because remember this is like now writing negative 1 log to base x, that is log b, square root of b to base x. So this negative, guys, can go up. And this is what we have done right here. Guys, now we continue. After that, guys, we come again and use our equation where we said log of a minus log of b. This gives us log a over b. So, guys, that's what I have done to this, so that it becomes now log 2 all over 12 raised to a half to base x. And this one gives us log square root of b raised to negative 1 to base x. And therefore, guys, we can now be able to cancel, to remove, not really to cancel, but to say that whatever is inside the log is now supposed to be equal. And this is what is inside the log. 2 all over 12 raised to a half is equals to 1 all over square root of b. Guys, from there we can now make b the subject. Make b the subject of the formula. We come and square now this. Here we can separate 12 to read as 3 raised to a half, 4 raised to a half, which is the same as 12. Guys, now we can come and square. Not really. Yes, we can. Before we do that, guys, as you can see, 4 raised to a half is the same as 2. Can cancel that, and we can cancel that. And then we are left with 1 all over 3 raised to a half is equals to 1 all over square root of b. And so this means, guys, that this is the square root of 3 is equals to square root of b. And therefore, guys, 3 is supposed to be equal to b. And this is our solution. Thank you, guys, for listening to me.